Hello everyone, and welcome back to my DIY art channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, you already know that today's video is going to be graduation special. Also, if you're thinking of gifting someone something on their graduation, I have just a video for you. I had actually made a video on my channel. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to leave the link just up here. Quick and easy handmade gifts that you can make and make them feel special. But before I begin with the video, I just wanted to take a moment to honor and congratulate class of 2022. So congratulations to each and every one of you who are graduating this year. A huge round of applause. Congratulations. I am so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself as well. Finally, you've made it. Without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. To make this project, here are the supplies that you will need. Now, I'm going to start by first grabbing my graduation cap. So this is actually my high school graduation cap that I never really got a chance to decorate, but you know what? I'm going to decorate it now since this is a great opportunity. So I'm going to start off by grabbing this glitter paper. I honestly love pink, as you guys can tell. You can use any sort of paper you want. Make sure it's a little thicker material. I bought mine from Dollartree. To get the exact size, I'm just going to simply cut out the paper so that the size matches with the cap, and once that's complete, next I'm going to find the button which is placed on the top middle part on the cap. I simply flip the paper over to the back side to use my pencil and trace out the button where I can tell it's there. I'm going to cut out the circle using the X-Acto knife that I have, and I'm just going to simply push up the button so that the uneven edges of the cutout is hidden. As you can see, this is how it will look like. And then using some hot glue gun, I'm just gonna be gluing on the paper onto the cap like this. And once it's glued in, let it dry, and then once it's dry, it's time to decorate and use your creativity. So I'm going to start off by using these rhinestone pearl stickers that I got from Dollartree, and I'm just going to outline them all around the circle. To cover the button, I simply used one of these rosebuds and hot glue. Next, I'm going to be using these letter stickers to add on a cute message. Okay, so I didn't have enough letter stickers, and so I had to change the 3 words all uppercase, leaving adventure begins as uppercase, letters as the first letters, and then all lower cases. I'm simply adding on these stickers that I bought from Dollartree. I really like how it has some of these cute messages. Using these floral stickers, I'm just gonna simply add them at the bottom. So it comes with like a whole set with the leaves and then the flowers, which I think is very beautiful. So these are also a set that I bought from Dollartree as well. Also, in case if you're wondering, this video is not sponsored by Dollartree, but Dollartree, if you're watching this, I would love a sponsorship. But yes, I'm just gonna continue adding these flowers. It's like a beautiful set like I've mentioned before, so I'm just gonna continue doing that. And then for the button area, I ended up deciding that I want to add more roses because, you know, I like to be extra sometimes. So I decided to add some more rosebuds since I had some left to kind of go around the button, just to kind of fill up that area like that. And then I'm just going to continue adding on some more decorative stickers. And then once that's complete, here is the finished look. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys love it? Drop down in the comment section below. Give it a like if you like it, love it. Honestly, I love the way it came out. Very beautiful, very pink. I ended up adding some white flowers on the sides, some more rhinestone stickers, because like I've mentioned, I'm a little extra when it comes to decorating. But yeah, here is the finished look.
And thank you for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you want to see on this channel, and let me know your thoughts about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It truly means a lot to me. We are at 325 subscribers. We are growing. Let's make it to 400 subscribers, you guys. Huge thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you out there. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I really do hope that these videos are helpful to you. Also, for all my video updates, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet Matharu. And for more quick and easy videos you want to check out, be sure to check out my TikTok account, which is also _Amanpreet Matharu. The links are just down here, and here are the names of my username. Also, if you want to check out more DIY arts and craft videos,
so pretty much when you go on my channel, you see this tab here, so just click on the playlist tab and you'll see all the videos categorized theme wise. As you can see, some quick and easy YouTube shorts as well that I have a playlist for. Any sorts of videos that you want to see, Christmas videos, Halloween DIY videos, you can always check my playlists that I've created. And today's video shout out goes to Twinkle Angel. Shout out to you.
Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel, so if you haven't checked out my vlog channel, I'm going to leave the link down here in the description box and also up here, so be sure to check out my vlog channel. Be sure to also show that love and support to my vlog channel as well.
Before I close off today's video, I just wanted to mention that I have a Facebook group called Confidence Through Creativity. It's a project that I've been working for months, which is focused on helping young teenagers and adults to help them gain and build their self-confidence with the help of art. So in this Facebook group, you will get access to follow along art videos, which can be YouTube videos. If you've missed out some of them, I would also post those in the group chat, as well as some more quick and easy 5-minute art videos for you guys. Monthly art challenges, which are going on as of now, and giveaways, prizes. You get a chance to post your own artworks, the ones that you do as monthly art challenges, and also some more artworks that you want to post and share it. It's a very engaging and uplifting group, and there's so much more that I will be offering in this Facebook group. So join now. It's absolutely free to join and get creative.
I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and stay creative. Bye!